Chunkies, what are we making? Say hi. Back away from my oven, please. We grab her. Ooh, all that fog.
Steady, hold you. We'll watch though. Ooh, look at those donkeys. Woo!
Ooh, we're making cinnamon rolls.
It's hot, so hot.
Even though I just worked out. Gonna get my calories back in.
You smell them?
Are you excited?
Smell them?
You've never had a cinnamon roll.
Wave at mom. Where's mama? Wave. Say hi.
Where's your nose? Oh, good job!
Your nose is on your eyeball.
Good job.
Hip hip.
But yeah, I just made cinnamon rolls and I used Walmart grocery delivery for the first time. And the groceries just got here. It's 8 in the morning. And I liked it. I'd use it again. Would you?
Yeah.
Good stuff. But about to frost these bad boys.
Probably save a lot of money.
Okay, you guys. Good Saturday morning. I've got laundry going. I'm baking Scott some oatmeal raisin cookies while he's working out. Just being a good wife. About to start cleaning. It's gonna be a good Saturday. We're going to the Orr family farm later, pumpkin patch, so really excited. But we need to get these cookies going. I made Jake cookies last week. Now I gotta make Scott cookies. And he likes oatmeal raisins, so the dough is complete. I have a mess everywhere.
Come help. Help me take a bite. Show mom how you help.
Yeah.
Get that hair out of your mouth. Gross. This still in there? Yep. Did they poke another one? Let me get you another piece. Did I get you another piece?
You guys, I need help cleaning my house. And this is what is happening.
Tell mom bye-bye. Wave at mom. Where's mama? Wave at mom. Tell her bye-bye. Say we're gone.
Pick up your stuff.
We're gone. Ah. Boom. Get mama. Watch your feet.
Annabelle.
Say, whoa, no, I'm falling. Boom.
My tooth hurts. Wow.
We're vlogging. Answer your phone call.
Cheers.
Cheers. But I'm staying on hold.
Cookies are done. I got a little bit more cleaning to do and shower, get ready, and go to Orr Family Farm. So I'll see y'all in the car.
Turn left onto South Broadway Avenue.
Headed to Orr Family Farm. Haven't been there in
Ever?
years. I think I've only been there once.
In half a mile,
Huh?
right onto Southwest 104th Street.
Stunkies is excited. We couldn't get her to nap, so we just decided to go ahead and go. Yay! He's thrilled. See y'all there. Monkey, did we wake you up? There's a car coming. Move it, Dad. Move it. Behind us. Am I the lame mom with the camera? We're here.
everybody.
Can you tell her what you named your horse? Why are you gonna be shy?
Kitty. Ready?
You like it?
Give him hugs.
Give him hugs? Let him have hugs? Oh, no.
Ash doesn't like that one. Oh, nice.
Like the little ones? Like the little one? And give it hugs? Kisses? Oh, thank you. Oh, you want it now? Hugs? Hugs?
Aww.
You want a
For
hug?
lunch. You get your pizza to eat. You get a piggy? Are you spoiled?
Hi, Missy. What are you doing? It's here. Look at her.
Ooh. I want that hair. How tall am I?
What's Mom doing? Where's Mama?
How tall am I?
5'5".
6 foot. 5'5".
Wow.
Put these boots on.
Everybody, please put your wings together and give a warm Bruder welcome.
Bruder welcome.
The weather, it was dry. The sun so hot. I come down from that barn.
Novi.
The banjo on my knee.
Novi.
Hey, Mama. Where's Mama?
Is this funny? Is funny?
She laughing.
Are my best hand, my only girlfriend. 'Cause you lay brown eggs throughout the day.
This is funny.
Oh dear, how much I love them.
The gourd, the bad, and the ugly. Baby, get in the ugly. Ha. What are you doing, Stunts?
She's wigging out.
Who's your pumpkin? Oh, it's like Guess Who. Oh, I love that game. You wanna play? Oh, there's a moon bounce trampoline thing. I wanna play on that. That thing looks like fun. I wanna play. You like them?
Look at that, so cute.
Pointing at him. He's looking! Daddy, if you're watching this, you need to get a goat. Let's FaceTime him.
Look. You watch your fingers though and get them.
Let's FaceTime my dad.
Is he cute? Is he silly? Is he silly? Here, I'm giving this. Look.
Hello.
Hello?
What y'all doing?
You need to get some goats. Okay guys, we're leaving
Where's my
the
money going?
Orr family farm. Say bye. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one.